Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Thursday to you. Another day in the market. Y'all see what it is. Started out still green. Started out a little higher, but came back down. Um, Trying to say how to word this. The courts took off to put a hold on the tariffs, or took the tariffs off. So right now you don't have to worry about the tariff thing. I know he had a lot of stuff on hold till July the 9th, but everything as of now, the courts had they canceled them. So that's a relief for now. Is that permanent? I don't know. I don't know how the judicial system works or whatever you want to call that. All that dealing with that end of stuff. I only stick to politics that deals with the stock market, and I leave it there. I got a certain extent with everything, so that's as far as I like go with it. But I know right now it's off. But we're gonna keep moving forward. Stock still in buy range. See my portfolio only up $350.83. So since that news from yesterday, not a big difference. So stock still down, but we're gonna get at it, man. Still got inflation, interest rate cuts, and all that other kind of stuff to deal with. Stagflation, job loss, layoffs. So the tariff is just some more fuel they added to the fire, but the fire was already big. So we got to put it out to contain the fire we already have, if that makes sense. But let's get to trade, man. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch some recent videos, share my channel. Also, just want to give y'all a quick brief of what I seen and noticed in the last 24 hours. All right, let's get it in, man. Gonna be a repeat of some of the same stocks. Like I said, we taking advantage of the stocks that are in buy range. So let's go with KHC. Some of these are green today, but they still low and cheap. So you got to accumulate. All right, this Crab Foods, Crab Heinz is up 34 cents today, still trading below the $29 mark. So days like this, get your $3 to $5 worth, and keep it pushing. Or get $1, whatever you able to afford. RC Ready Capital. This one here is green for the day, also, but it's still like $4.46. $3 worth of that. And we got land. Gladstone Land pays out, I think it's like 4.5 cents or 5 cents a share a month. Dividend yield is 5.75%. 52-week high 15.36 with a low of 8.66. So just let you know where it stands. It's still under the $10 mark. Take advantage of the 10 and under. It's probably gonna be a REIT I'm probably gonna get rid of. This one y'all can buy. It's land. They rent farmland land out to the farmers. So if you wanted to own land, this would be one of the quickest way to get it, for you to get paid dividends just for holding shares. All right, you knock out these other ones. HPP. All right, 52-week low 181. 52-week high is 628. Got an upside like $4.28 if we go back to that 5.18% yield. So I'm definitely buying this. This is gonna push back above the $3 mark. So dollar cost averaging. Limit by order. This not no long-term hold, long-term play. This gonna be a swing. I'm probably gonna be holding it for a while though. Like I said, it's better places to put your money, especially you don't want to take no risk. I'm a risk taker. So that's how I roll. This another one, another REIT, office REIT. 25 shares at 20 cents. It's another one I'm a swing trade my way up out of. Knowing my average cost, I'm at 46 cents, 4,000 shares. 52-week high, $3.02 with a low of 18 cents. All right, fiat opened up. It was cheaper. I'm gonna try to go put a buy order in at $4.95 on fiat. Got dividends coming. It's paying 26 cents a share for the month. A little cheaper than what it, well, a little lower than what I expected, but it is trading at a cheaper price. It did come down. Remember, fiat is the inverse. When Coinbase goes up, fiat goes down. When fiat goes up, Coinbase coming down. So that's how that works. You're gonna own one, you might want to own the other, so you can, when you see when Coinbase is up, you can automatically go to fiat, and when fiat is up, you can automatically go buy some Coinbase. So buy CONY, Coning, Yield Max ETF, doing options on Coinbase. PSEC, 4.5 cents a share a month, is getting whooped. Trying to go buy some more of this. I'm loading up on this at these prices, especially to lower my average cost also. I got about 3 positions of this in 3 different portfolios. Well, 3 and 3, you already know that, but sorry. I'm gonna get rid of 2 and hold 1. But PSEC might be something I dump too. Got some other stocks I can get in for a dividend monthly. Due to the market cap, want something at least probably like 5 billion or better. So I got some other ways I can go and get that same yield. All right, going to get Nike. If you're trying to come down in Nike, this is the best time for you to do it. Especially at the lows in the mid to upper 50s to the lower 60s. My average cost should be around about 70 something bucks now, but going in to get that, this is also one I'm gonna be dumping, getting rid of apparel stock. Nike not the same company it was before, due to it got a lot of competition now. I'm gonna go with Wendy's. Got to get some of that. GOGL is green today, but it's still under the $8 mark. Go PFLT. Pendant float, still trading under the $11 mark. Only got my 100 shares. Want to get 1,000, but not gonna load up on nothing. SCHD. Y'all know this a buy and hold play here. Definitely got to get it at that $27, 28 and under mark. Coney, this is what I was talking about. Options on Coinbase. Trading at what, $7.80. Another $5 at this mark. Well, at that price. HRZN. $3 worth of that. I already got my 1,000 shares. I just accumulate and add on to it. Got not cash, AMDY. This is options on AMD. It is also down. Need to go lower my average cost on this one. Do I even have 100 shares of this? Nope. So about time to get it. KLIP. It's one I'm buying every day. Pay 62 to 66 cents a share a month. Seems now it's a little stable since they did a reverse stock split. Some APLY at 1640. It's at 1292. Apple is coming on down. Apple trade like at the $199 mark today I seen. Got GOOY options on Google. 1232. I'm at 1298. I'm at. Let's look at the 52-week low on this. 1089. We can let that come on down. USOY trading a little above the $10 mark. I just need to see my average cost. 1208. It's at 1020. Really like it below the $10 mark. It's gonna get $2 worth for now. Starting to get my $5 when it comes back down. OXSQ. Then got down to 232 today. 231. Y'all know I'm buying at these prices. $3.5 a share a month there. And it's gonna go back above the $3 mark. Take a WU. That's gonna be a nice swing trade buying those shares at $2.32. This yielding about a 9.5% yield right about now, Western Union. At $11.65 for average cost. ABR, Arbor Realty, 34 cents a share quarterly. Got to take advantage of this below the $10 mark. Dollar cost averaging on in. Nice REIT there. Market cap 1.87 billion. P ratio 9.8. 17.57% yield. Get one of my favorites, man. RYLD. 14.5 cents a share a month. Already got my 1,000 shares. Just adding on to it. Got 1,072. Waiting on this to hit that $14 mark so I can load up. Got annually, paid like 70 cents a share quarterly. Buying up these prices here below that $20 mark. I'm at $27.57 for average cost. Need to come down. That's why I'm doing $10 a day. USOI. This will buy below the $63 mark. Lower my average cost, and it's also 22% yield payout monthly. ORC. Got my 1,000 shares. Just adding on to it. This will buy at $8 and under. QYLD, 16, 17 cents a share a month. This will buy at 17 and under. $771 shares. AGNC trading below the $9.20 mark where I like it. I'm gonna add on at these prices, 12 cents a share a month. And we're gonna go with XYLD. 38 to 40 cents a share a month. Look at Misty, MSTY. Oh, it's at 21.71, like it's trying to go up now. Get $3 worth since I'm here. That's everything. Let's go check out traps. Comcast, 34.21. Want that to come down some more before I nibble at it. Pets, I did get a share of this today. 372. That's another swing trade. Y'all stay out of this one. Not really worth it. All this stuff will be getting sold above the $4 range. Is not pay a dividend. Charge point down 4.58%. I'm at $1.14. How we looking with Brandywine is also a REIT. $9. This one y'all can stay out of. Whether you put your money in AGNC or ARR or NLY or even with PSCC before I put it there, or go with a ABR. BGS Foods down. Take advantage of this dip. Someone y'all can stay out of. Food industry is volatile. Intel, I just want to see where it's trading at. I like it at 19 with 20 and under, but it's close enough for me to nibble since I'm here. Know this is a long-term play. This is a chip stock. Intel not going anywhere unless somebody merge with them or buy them out. We got NLY, NSOI, GSBD, Goldman Sachs. Know this still 1136. It's like this at $12 and under. Goldman Sachs BDC pay a nice dividend out quarterly. We got Coney, MDY, NFLY, Netflix. I'm just curious, see what the price is. 18.05. I'm at 16. So I know when this go low, I need to load up a little bit. This don't go down a lot. YBit options on Bitcoin, 1067 at 12.59. Pays out monthly also. Got Win is GOOY. Got USOY, PayPal options on that, 12.75. I'm at 15.33. I don't load up, just add on to it. And let's check out DEA. DEA flying is at $22 now. I'm gonna let this pull back down around about that $20-ish range and load up a little bit. But that's it, man. That's how things go when you're trading. Just keep it simple. SPYI. Get this when it come back down some. But signing off, go get your money, y'all. Stay safe out there.